Hi everyone, welcome to a new video. I am hoping that you all are fine. So finally guys, good news for all CMA Foundation, CMA Intermediate and also for CMA Final student who are appearing for upcoming September 2021 for CMA Foundation student and October 2021 for Inter and Final students. So for Foundation student, Institute has released the timetable for model examination, model test paper or model test paper. You can say that for Foundation. So what will this will be alarming situation to Inter and Final, and also for Foundation, those students who are thinking about to merging this exam with December exam. Okay, Institute has clearly given the indication that yes, Institute is already well prepared for taking the examination for Foundation in September and for Inter and Final in October. So please focus and continue your study, and those students who are still waiting for merging this with the December attempt, okay, Institute is totally prepared to conduct exam as per schedule. So in this video I will discuss about all the step-wise, all the steps for model examination for Foundation. Okay, the date of examination is online, home based, okay, from mobile, laptop, desktop, any mode you can give. But my suggestion to every Foundation student who are giving this term of examination, please choose, if please choose those model in which the same mode you are using in the main exam 5th September. Okay, if you want to give main exam in mobile, so this model examination you should give with the mobile. If you want to give desktop or laptop, same mode you should use. This will be more convenient you to handle the exam online, home based. So from 20th August to 29th August, Institute is conducting the model examination 10 a.m. to 10:25 a.m. paper number 1 and 2, then 10 minutes break, 25 to 35 break, then again 10:35 to 11 a.m. paper number 3 and 4. Only this model examination is only for those who who have registered for June 2021. Okay, those who are eligible to give exam in September 2021. December 2021 student cannot give this model examination. Okay, so hope you understand. Detail for the assessment for 5th December 2021 will be released shortly. Please check your registered email ID and your mobile number. Okay, for 5th September, still like admit card. So Institute soon update you on your mail ID. So please take care of your mail ID. Although do not worry, I will update whenever I get the information related with the admit card. Okay. Before the examination, which you need to consider, please keep your government identity. Okay. Before starting the examination, please keep these kind of things with you, like your registration ID card, admit card. Okay. Aadhaar card, any like Aadhaar card, passport, voter ID card, DL. So Aadhaar will be preferable to you. This needs to be uploaded on the online examination page before starting the exam. Okay, this option will the uploading option will be given to you. You should upload. Okay, please take care your admit card, means your student ID card and your Aadhaar card. Please keep your login credentials like your registration ID, date of birth, and passkey. Okay, passkey will be given to 1 day before the model examination. Okay, and same this will also happen in the main examination. 1 day before the main examination, you will receive your passkey through your mail or your SMS. Okay, please keep your detail and hard copy printout right on paper before starting of model examination. Okay, please write your registration number, each and everything in your paper. Okay, once you open the examination page, you will not be able to access your mails, files on your laptop, computer, mobile. That is why we are saying that please keep all these things before starting the model examination and also in main examination. Please sit in a quiet room. Okay, please sit in a quiet room. Try to avoid bright lights behind you, for example windows. Okay, do not sit behind the windows. Okay, means you are sitting, there is a window behind the you, so do not try to sit that place. Please update your Google Chrome. Okay, before means 25th August. So 23rd or 24th August, you should update your Google Chrome. Okay, and give permission to your webcam and microphone forms setting. You should download application. Simply means you should upload your Google Chrome. The examination will start 10 a.m. Please ensure you log in at 10 itself. Okay, my suggestion to you, you should start 10:50, 9:50 or 9:45. Please make sure you have enough power backup so that in case of electricity failure, your laptop, computer, mobile do not shut down or switch off. Also, please use a fast and reliable internet connection during the exam so that you not face any internet issue. Okay, you have a good internet connection. Okay, you have a good power connection. Okay, means laptop should be charged or you have a power backup. To check the working functionality of your system, webcam and microphone, use the following link. Okay, so from whether your laptop, desktop is compatible for this exam or not. So you can check with this link. Okay. Now come to basic infrastructure you required for the examination. If you are giving main exam or model examination through laptop or computer, continuous internet connection, 1 Mbps to 4 Mbps at least internet speed required. Laptop or computer with webcam and microphone. Okay, in your laptop or desktop there should be a webcam, guys, and there should be a microphone. Recommended browser Google Chrome, latest version. 1 day before model examination or main examination, you should update your Google Chrome. If you are giving model examination or main exam with mobile phone, Android version 5 and above, mobile phone with a functional front camera, your should be a front camera and good front camera. Okay, but what is my suggestion? My suggestion to you, use those mobile, laptop or desktop you are same using in the main exam. It is also recommended to use the same system for the actual test on 5th September. Okay, it will be more convenient to you to easily give your model examination and also your main examination. During the examination, the test webcam microphone, with this you can easily check your compatibility. Do not press backspace, refresh or close the window during the examination. Okay, that is why we are saying that please maintain each and everything, your admit card, Aadhaar card. Okay, one copy. Do not submit the examination unless you have attempted all the question. Test once submitted will not be reset. Okay, so please again and again cross check whether you have attempted all question or not. If yes, then submit, otherwise you have to wait. If you once submit, means you have finally submit your examination. Okay, you need to attempt all question of the test in one go. All questions are mandatory. There is no negative marking. Okay, so there is no negative marking. Okay, for foundation exam, 100% MCQ based. In case of power failure or internet failure, you do not worry. Okay, again whenever you will again open your mobile or laptop or desktop, the same window will open. Okay, resume window will open, so do not worry about. Okay, submit failure. If you are unable to failure, if you are facing any problem, ICMI support@qcup.com, you can contact to ICMI team. And these are the step-by-step procedure. Please find below detail for your model examination, which is conducting from 25th August to 29th August. You can appear for the examination through any of preferable devices, computer, laptop, desktop, recommended, or mobile. From mobile also, you can also give model examination or main examination. Please go through the candidate manual videos and test instruction as link to manual and test instruction. You can check from here. Steps to start the examination. Check if your system is compatible or not. From here, this link, you can check your system whether your system is compatible or not. Download the SAP tool from the below link. Okay, run the SAP tool. When they require password or access token, then you need to write CMA 2021. Click on start. Please close all the other application and save your work before running the SAP tool. Okay, so only SAP tool or your main exam window should be open. Mobile phone, only Android devices only. Okay, please understand, Apple or iPhone will not work here. Only Android device. Okay, if you do not have Android device, you have to manage. Otherwise, laptop, desktop is available for you. iPhone will not work here. Download the QCUP's assessment from Google Play Store. Okay, before the exam, please go Play Store and you can download. Then whenever the password required, or then you need to write CMA 2021. Click on continue. Please note login details before running the application. Okay, login details. You require registration ID. Enter your own identification number or registration number. Registration date of birth, which is your date of birth, which is mentioned with the ICAI. Okay. Passkey will be given 1 day before the model examination or main examination. If you have any question, so you can ask me in the comment section if you need any clarification. So, and apart from this, ICMI support@qcup.com, you can ask me. What will be my suggestion? So my suggestion to foundation, inter and final student, mostly yes, exams are going to start as per schedule. So do not think even a single minute about whether exams are going to reschedule in December. Okay, institute is totally prepared, and please use those mobile, those laptop in which you are giving the main exam. This is the crux. It will help you, you can say that, to handle main exam easily. So hope you like this video. Still you have any doubt, you can ask me in the comment section, and surely I will try to help you. So please continue your study and Best of luck from my side. Still you are facing any problem, in the comment section you can ask me. So foundation, inter and final, this is a student, this is an alarming situation. Now you should be ready for and prepare yourself for the upcoming September 2021 exam for foundation, and October for inter, and October 2021 for inter and final. And still you have any doubt, in the comment section you can ask me. From my side, that's all about in this video. Bye guys.